What is a myth? A myth is part of a genre of fiction called folklore. It is a traditional story designed to explain the early history of a group of people or describe natural phenomena. The authors of myths are typically unknown. Have you ever heard the story of how the leopard got his spots? Types of myths. There are different types of myths. They include creation myths. Creation myths describe how the earth or a group of people came to be. Nature myths. Nature myths describe why something in nature is the way it is. Hero myths. Hero myths describe the quest of a hero or heroine. Greek and Roman myths. Greek and Roman myths describe the actions of gods and goddesses. The story of how I got my spots is a nature myth. The purpose of myths. Myths are usually written for one or more of the following purposes: to explain how something came to be, to teach a moral lesson, to explain a historical event, to reveal common hopes and feelings. If it weren't for myths, I wouldn't know how I got my spots. Characteristics of myths. Myths often include the following characteristics: gods and goddesses who interact with humans, gods and goddesses in disguise. They reflect the characteristics of the culture that created them. Magical or supernatural explanations for events. Characters experience a transformation or change. All it took was a touch of magic for me to get my spot so I could blend in with the others in the forest.
When school isn't a place